Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which describe nouns and pronouns. For example, it is good idea to recycle old newspapers and magazines. In this sentence, good and old both are adjectives, and idea and newspapers and magazines both are nouns. Groundwater is an important source of fresh water. Important and fresh both are adjectives. The film was an enormous success. Enormous adjective. Harsh has a brown jacket. Brown adjective. Attribute. Attribute means a quality or speciality of a noun. These adjectives are placed immediately before nouns. For example, noun is flower. Attribute, that means quality of flower, can be judged as color and fragrance. And adjectives which describe these qualities are pink and sweet. Pink color and sweet fragrance. Book is again a noun. Book can be judged on the qualities or attribute of size and type. Big and storybook both are adjectives. Degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Students, we know the rules to change the sentences from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative degree. But again, we are going to deal with these rules. We use the base form of an adjective in positive degree. For example, cold, hot. In comparative degree, we put a suffix er after the base form of an adjective, or we use more before an adjective. For example, we use colder, hotter, or more beautiful. In superlative degree, we use the suffix est after the base form of an adjective or most before an adjective. So here we can say coldest, hottest, and most beautiful. So in this way, we use the various forms of adjectives in these degrees of comparison. Some more forms: sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So you can see easily positive, comparative, and superlative. Cold, colder, coldest. Happy, happier, happiest. Far, farther or further, farthest or furthest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Let's describe a sentence and see how these forms of adjective work. For example, a sentence is in superlative degree. Cricket is the most popular sport in our country. So when we use adjective in superlative degree, we use the before it. In comparative degree, cricket is more popular than any other sport in our country. See the underline words. More popular than. So we use more before popular, than any other after the adjective. So when the adjective is in comparative degree, we use the words than any other. Keep this in mind. No other sport in our country is as popular as cricket. When the adjective is in positive degree, we use as before and after the adjective. See here, as popular as. Some more examples to describe this. Dipti is the most hardworking employee in the office. The most hardworking shows that the sentence is in superlative degree. So let's change it in comparative. Dipti is more hardworking than any other employee in the office. And if we want to change it in positive degree, no other employee in the office is as hardworking as Dipti. Same way, Mr. John is the most influential person in the city. The most influential person shows that the sentence is in superlative degree. Now let's change it in comparative degree. Mr. John is more influential than any other person in the city. And in positive degree, the sentence becomes no other person in the city is as influential as Mr. John. Monica is the happiest girl in the family. The sentence, of course, is in superlative degree. Let's change it in comparative. Monica is happier than any other girl in the family. And in positive degree, the same sentence becomes no other girl in the family is as happy as Monica. Now, this is somewhat different sentence. Skydiving is one of the most dangerous adventure game. So here, one of the shows that many things are there to compare with the group of things. So, sentence will be little different. Skydiving is more dangerous than many other adventure games. So just focus on the words. And very few adventure games are as dangerous as skydiving. So here in the last sentence, just look at these words. One of the. Okay. And because of this, we use many other. Whereas we are using any other. But here we use many other. And instead of no other, here we use very few. So, see this difference and change the sentences accordingly. Certain adjectives are used for people whereas others are used with objects. So, healthy, kind, truthful, honest. These adjectives are used with people. We cannot use these adjectives with any object. We cannot say healthy flute, kind chair. No. And some of the adjectives are used with objects or things. For example, porous, metallic, multicolored. So these adjectives cannot be used with people. We cannot say that that person is metallic. So in this way, there is a difference between adjectives. Adjectival phrases. Sometimes we use a phrase instead of adjective. Kashi is always alert and aware in the class. And here, one adjective can describe this phrase. Kashi is always attentive in the class. In the same way, some of the cluster of words can be changed into two letters or two words or three words phrase. A fruit full of juice, juicy fruit. A region with a lot of breeze, a breezy region. A number of attempts, numerous attempts. Kind and generous ruler, benevolent ruler. So, look at these simple and little adjectival phrases and try to use them in the sentences. Thank you.